What a shitty day in Canberra. G'day people. Look what we're doing today. So we're gonna soarer. So I bought these injector cleaner part thingies from eBay, and I've got to get the injectors out. So I'll let you know when they're at. It's a pain in the fucking ass, by the way. Don't get a 7M-GTE that needs injectors. That's it. That stupid idea. We have access to the fuel rail. That's the fuel rail. It goes all the way under here. See it? Yeah, and that's it. And that's what we're taking out. And we'll have it out soon. And it's right there. And we've got everything else out. So we've had to take throttle body and all the connection pieces that come out part of the throttle body. We've had to take some sort of breather lines out. That goes that way for memory's sake. I've had to take this crazy valve thing out here. I don't know what that is. And a whole heap of hoses and all that kind of shit. And the throttle body. The throttle body had to come off. But we made sure we didn't take the plenum off, because that would mean another gasket. And I can't be bothered doing that yet.
The moment of truth. Have I been putting all my time and effort into this car for no reason? I'm so... Alright. Here we go. Accessories are on.
Okay, so we got to there. We've put them all back in, and then we found that injector number 1 and 2 are spraying a shitload of fuel out, because I haven't changed the O-rings, because I haven't bought an O-ring kit. And supposedly, according to every manual that I've read so far, it says that every time you take an injector out, you are meant to change the O-rings and seals on it. Regardless if you're fixing it or anything, just every time you take it out, you're meant to replace the seals. So I haven't done that, and it's not working. So we gotta get that back out. It's got to come back out, and I've got to have a look at it properly. So I might actually take a bit more than I'm meant to out and see where we go from there. Yeah. Interesting. It's interesting. Isn't that a beautiful motor? It's a nice looking engine. Hey. Alright. I fucked up the other day. I took the injectors out. I fucking cleaned them out like you saw in the video from like a month ago. I put them back in. And then, yeah, all of a sudden, they're fucking spraying everywhere. I didn't fucking replace the O-rings, all that kind of shit. So I took them back out. I've got another motor there. I took the fucking injectors out of that. They had good O-rings. I replaced them just because I don't want to spend money on this thing yet. I'm not sure what's the matter with it. It's, you know, I don't want to go throwing money into something that's going to have a fucked motor, a fucked gearbox, whatever. Like, you know, it's got to be workable with. You know, it's got to be worth the money. So done the dodgy, I put it all in, and yeah, and then it still sprayed out fuel, and so I had to take it out. Then I lost the washers in the freaking fuel rail thing. They've got these copper washers on the bolts, and so I lost them, and you know, the thing's sitting so low on the ground I couldn't get the bolts out. So I walked away from it for like 2 weeks. It done my head in. I'd taken the motor, like I'd taken the injectors out like 4 times now. You know, like it got to the point where I'm just like, fuck. I'm gonna get into it today, and you know, like, yeah, I've done a little bit of cleaning over here. Just clean that little bit up, but now it's bulging out, so I've got to re-glue that and put a hole through it or something and sort that out. But yeah, so other than that, we're about to go put these injectors in, and we're gonna see if this thing's gonna kick over. Something happened there, but it started. She's fucking started. It's fucking started, Marty. It's fucking started. It's fucking started. It's fucking started. She's running. She's running. There's no fuel pissing out. She's fucking started. It's the first time in 12 years. Maybe even 13. Maybe even 13. She's fucking started. Oh, just let her warm up for a bit and oil herself up and get everything working again. Hopefully these airbags come up. It's fucking started! It's running! Oh my god, it's fucking started. Where's the airbag settings? Where's the airbag settings? Nope. 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 Here you go. I felt something move then. Yeah, that back's definitely lifted. I can nearly fit my finger underneath it. No, it's just give her time. She hasn't been started in a long time. Needs a little bit of time. She's old. She's old, but she's running. She's running. Oh, fucking fix it! I fix it! I fix it! I fix it! Yes! Yeah, I can feel that. It might take a couple of hours. Or we might put some 14s on it. We might put some 14s on it, and we might move it. No fire in the engine bay, that's a good thing. Or underneath it. Oh, Marty, look at this side. Still sagging on this side. So there you have it. It started. It fired up. It ran. It ran. All right. But I've got 2 airbags that aren't lifted up. I'm sitting in the car right now, and she's lowered on one side. The other side's jacked up. One side's lowered. Like so, I gotta work that out. But I think it's electrical. Has to be electrical because like these things have compressors on each airbag, and I don't know. Someone, if you've got one of these, it's still running the airbags and all that kind of stuff, you know what you're talking about, you know what you're doing, please hit me up. I need help from you guys. it started. But yeah, I'm so worked up, I'm so hyped up. I can't believe this is so great, and I get to share this with everybody on YouTube who watches this, and nobody's gonna watch this, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because we started it, and it's like, you know, I wouldn't have had the motivation if I wasn't doing these videos, that's for sure. But yeah, I can't believe it. It hasn't been much, and we've got this car started, and now we've got the airbag problems, but that's all right. That's another problem, another video to make. So stay tuned. If you haven't been, you know, watching my videos and you just caught on, and even if you don't, so stay tuned. If you haven't been watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button, start going through them and all that kind of stuff. Tell me where I'm going wrong, tell me where I'm going right.